This is nothing more than a continuation of the president's desperate weaponization of our justice system. He is forcing federal law enforcement agencies to do his bidding, all because I did my job as the New York State Attorney General.
Letitia James reacts after being indicted on one count of bank fraud and one count of making a false statement to a lending institution. She's the latest foe of Donald Trump to be prosecuted by the Justice Department, which had been investigating mortgage fraud allegations against her.
These charges are baseless, and the president's own public statements make clear that his only goal is political retribution at any cost.
Lindsay Halligan, the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia, is assigned to the case. She had served as Mr. Trump's personal attorney and was installed after another prosecutor resigned, reportedly after he informed the Justice Department he hadn't found sufficient evidence to charge Ms. James.
His decision to fire a United States attorney who refused to bring charges against me and replace them with someone who is blindly loyal not to the law, but to the president, is antithetical to the bedrock principles of our country.
As New York Attorney General, Letitia James is best known for bringing a civil fraud case against Mr. Trump and his real estate company in 2022. It resulted in a huge financial penalty after a judge found he fraudulently overstated his net worth to dupe lenders. Later, an appeals court overturned the fine, but upheld the decision that Mr. Trump had committed fraud.
I stand strongly behind my office's litigation against the Trump Organization. We conducted a 2-year investigation based on the facts and evidence, not politics. Judges have upheld the trial court's finding that Donald Trump, his company, and his 2 sons are liable for fraud.
Donald Trump has always maintained his innocence, and during his re-election campaign he vowed retribution, signalled most recently in a post directed at his Attorney General, Pam Bondi. She had this message on X after Ms. James was charged: "One tier of justice for all Americans." Ms. James' indictment comes after another adversary of the president, former FBI Director James Comey, was charged with making false statements and obstructing a congressional investigation. He denies the charges, as does Ms. James.
We will fight these baseless charges aggressively, and my office will continue to fiercely protect New Yorkers and their rights. And I will continue to do my job.